winter storm now that you fucking people ain't stopping.
Yeah, winter storm. They're saying we're supposed to get a lot of snow, so we'll see how this turns out.
It's slick out.
Hopefully my old Jeepster makes it home. Have to put her in.
Oh, that's clean.
Four-wheel
Truck.
drive.
See how dirty my work truck is?
Yeah, this work truck is kind of dirty, huh? Look at this filthy thing.
Hondo don't clean inside. He just throws the shit in my side.
I don't clean anything. As long as my seat's clean, that's alright with me. Right?
No, that's fucking cars right here. We're on 6 right here.
Yeah. Calumet and 6th Avenue.
You can't even see the sign. Look at the sign.
Yeah.
So much of that chili, we gotta do the dishes. Huh? So last point. Last point, last point, last point, last point. Alright. Well, I love you and I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, we're at the Calumet and Alameda now. Look at all that traffic on I-25. It's crazy.
Fucking coming down good right now. Slipping and sliding the new rider. So we're only going 25 days. Just all medium pressure.
Visibility is bad. We're driving 40 miles an hour almost. And I'm recording and driving at the same time, which is very dangerous. But don't worry, we'll get there. I have to get a dash mount or something.
Almost to the shop.
We got an accident, boys, right here. This 4Runner, and there's another black car right here. The 4Runner just rear-ended the, I think it's a Mazda, right beside us. First accident I've seen of the day. No, that's a Ford. Looks like they're okay. Their feelings probably got a little hurt, but that's about it.
Their bumper got a little bumped.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking bad.
And the wind's hitting.
The wind's hitting us and blowing the truck.
Yeah.
I don't know if the window is too fucking bad.
White out, boys. We're
It's fucking white
driving
out right here.
25 miles an hour.
I swear you can't. Look at the cars. You can barely see the cars in front of you coming this way. These fucking people are trying to speed. Think we're driving slow or something. You can't even see. Look at the cars on the other side. Watch. Whoa. It was just lightning right now.
Yeah, it's rough. I'm going uphill. And I have my Jeep now. As you can tell, I got it full-time 4-wheel drive. Just to make sure I make it home. It's bad. You can hardly even see out the window here. It's so bad. Yeah, guys, I made it home, and it's pretty much a whiteout out here. It's crazy. But, you know, we need the moisture, and we need all this lovely snow we have here, so it's pretty deep. It's like I had to shovel my porch here. I don't know if you can see it, Yeah, I see, I shoveled that right by the door there, and all that over there. But it's still coming down. Yeah, check it out. Coming down like crazy. Pretty much a whiteout out here. I live on the north side of town, and this is what we got right here. But it's cold. It's cold. It's snowy, and they say we're looking at probably close to a foot. Close to a foot of snow. Oh man, snow's hitting me in the face. This is crazy. I guess I better turn my tail end towards the wind, huh? Like the horses do. But if you like this video, if you like my channel, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and this is a snowstorm special. They call it. But until next time, guys, peace out. God bless.